comparing Autel heavy-duty scanners, AL529HD versus MS908CV II versus MS909CV. Hey, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of heavy-duty vehicle diagnostics with a comparison of three top-tier tools from Autel: the AL529HD, MS908CV II, and MS909CV. If you're in the market for a diagnostic tool for your truck or commercial vehicle, stick around to find out which one might be the best fit for you. Autel AL529HD. Let's start with the Autel AL529HD. This is an inexpensive option that's perfect for those who need to read and delete codes on heavy-duty vehicles. It supports both J1939 and 1708 heavy-duty communication protocols. The AL529HD is straightforward and easy to use, making it a great choice for basic diagnostics without breaking the bank. Autel MS908CV II. Next up, we have the Autel MS908CV II. This tool steps things up with more powerful hardware and a broader range of functions. The MS908CV II isn't just about reading and deleting codes. It offers advanced diagnostics and service functions, making it suitable for professional use. It's designed to handle a wide range of vehicles, from light to heavy-duty trucks. Autel MS909CV. Finally, we have the Autel MS909CV. This is the most advanced tool in our comparison today. It's compatible with over 80 light, medium, and heavy-duty vehicle models and includes ADAS calibration software for Class 3 to 5 vehicles and Class 6 to 8 vehicles with dynamic calibration systems. The MS909CV is truly a powerhouse, offering extensive diagnostics and advanced features that are ideal for professionals who need comprehensive capabilities. Detailed comparison. When comparing these three devices, the Autel AL529HD stands out as a budget-friendly option, perfect for basic code reading and deletion tasks. It supports essential protocols like J1939 and 1708, which makes it accessible for DIY users or those looking for straightforward diagnostics. The Autel MS908CV II, on the other hand, offers a significant upgrade with advanced diagnostics and service functions. It boasts more powerful hardware, supporting a wider range of heavy-duty protocols. This tool is particularly suitable for professionals who need more than just basic diagnostics. For those needing the most advanced diagnostic tool, the Autel MS909CV is the top choice. It supports comprehensive diagnostics across over 80 vehicle models and includes ADAS calibration software. This makes it ideal for high-end professionals who require extensive diagnostic capabilities and advanced features. To summarize, the Autel AL529HD is perfect for basic diagnostics with support for J1939 and 1708 protocols. It's budget-friendly and easy to use. The Autel MS908CV II offers advanced diagnostics and service functions, making it a great option for professionals dealing with a variety of vehicle types. The Autel MS909CV is the most advanced, supporting extensive diagnostics, ADAS calibration, and compatibility with over 80 vehicle models. It's designed for high-end professional use. Thanks for reading. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more automotive tool reviews and tutorials. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or if there's another tool you'd like us to review. See you next time.